Hello everyone, just like my name is Tenzin, I'm a Tibetan. Today I want to speak few words about Nepal. As you know, Nepal is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The land of the Himalaya, rich culture and kind and hardworking people. For many Tibetans, Nepal has been a second home, a place of livelihood and friendship. Anyone who has been there knows Nepali people are the most humble, resilient, and hardworking people, generous you will ever meet. But behind this beauty lays a painful truth. In Nepal, ordinary families work day and night just to survive. Young people leave their home to work in Gulf countries, Malaysia, India. Because there is no job in Nepal, parents wait years just to see their children return home. Well, the country just depends on the remittance. At home, prices keep rising. Opportunities are very limited. Poverty traps people in endless cycle of hardship. Meanwhile, politicians made promise to bring happiness for the people. But instead, politicians deliver corruption. They fight for power, not for the people. And their children, so-called nepotism kids, live a completely different life. They wear Gucci, Prada. They're studying in foreign university, drive luxury cars and party in five-star hotels. All this, while ordinary Nepalis struggle just to buy daily essentials. Recently, the government banned 26 major social media apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. Why? Because social media give people a voice. It gives young Nepalis power to speak, to earn, to connect with the world. And most importantly, Gen Z used the platform to expose the truth. They showed the corruption, the nepotism, the luxury lifestyle of politicians' kids, while ordinary people suffer in the poverty. That's why the apps were banned, not to protect the society, but to protect the powerful. This protest is not just about the apps. It's about corruption, it's about equality, it's about justice, it's about speaking loud and clear. Justice, transparency, and change in the society. The youth of Nepal are standing up against the corruption, inequality, and silence. They are saying enough is enough, and the world must listen. Because when hardworking and kind people are silenced, where leaders and their children live in luxury, protest is not just a choice, it's necessity. Let's separate awareness. Let's stand in solidarity. Let's bear for those who have lost their life in this protest. A protest for a better future for generations to come.